Whether you are staying with grade 7 English medium class, so I need to tell you there are a lot of things that I need to tell you. Hi, Iboan. And put new to the chat if you are a new student and Iboan. Good evening. Okay. And new students, if you are a new student, put new to the chat and you are welcome to our class. Okay. Okay, of the Shah. Puda. Today we are going to start the lesson data representation and interpretation. That is your unit number 26. This is the tutorial that is regarded for the month of November. Once you pay the class fee, within 3 days, this tutorial will be in your hands, okay? And also, we have started to send this tutorial from the 25th of the previous month. So, majority of the class, a lot of students, they have already their tut with them. November, maybe the tutor, maybe turn on the chat. Put a heart in the chat if you have this tutorial with you right now. Hurry. Some students, they have the tutor with them of the shirt. Okay. Right. Okay, Buddha. New students, I will explain about my classes meanwhile I'm doing the class. And today I'm going to cover up the lesson data representation and interpretation. Students that they have the tutorial with you, with them, you can do the works on the tutorial itself. No worries. If you do not have the tut with you right now, right, it's okay. You just take your notebooks and we shall do only the questions in your notebook. After tut comes to your home, you can fill all the things in your tutorial. And also, Buddha, you already know after we complete in a lesson, there will be a unit test for the particular unit. So, Buddha, and also after completion of a month, there will be a monthly test for the particular month. So, in the month of October, right, in the previous Monday, there was a unit test for the solids, and previous Wednesday, there was a tut test. There was a tut test or the monthly test for the month of October. So now I'm going to announce the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the unit test and the monthly test or the tut test. Let's see who are the top 10 students who have scored the highest marks of the class. The solids. Unit number 25, first place goes to Tinaya Jayasinghe from Pushpadana Girls College, Kandy. Second place goes to Rafaela from Sussex College, Malabar. Third place goes to Kenika Senhiru Pereira from Nalanda College. Fourth place goes to Tanuji Setumini from Southlands College, Code. Fifth place goes to Tanuli Sanulya from Sanganita Balika Vidyalaya Board. And fifth place goes to Tamindu Damdev Maya Dunna from Maliyadeva College. My school. College can my school right. Then Janud Kuncheva from Dharmapala Vidyalaya, Panipidia. 8th place goes to Chaniru Ratnayaka from Dharmaraja Vidyalaya, Kandy. 9th place goes to Kaushali Nexarani from Epavala Central College. 10th place goes to Hansani Pabasara from Vishaka Vidyalaya, Kalambur. Why? Okay, let's see who are the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the tut test. Right, the first place goes to Tineti Isatma from Gautami Balika Vidyalaya, Kalambur. Second place goes to Unity Matisha from Ambanwala Vidyalaya, Vilayaya National College. Tanuga from Vidura College. Fourth place goes to Kaviri Mitunja from Yashoda Tokanchi International School. Yashoda Tokanchi International School. Fifth place goes to Kunsaraj Chakumini from SKD. I don't know what is SKD. St. Joseph Balika. And sixth place goes to Naya Jayasinghe from Pushpadana Girls College. Seventh place goes to Sadhurvan from Eighth place goes to Naya Nitin from Mahaya Girls College. And ninth place goes to Matisha Nikisha Hansana from Mahanama College, 3. And 10th place goes to Gamsa Siluni from Ligambu South International School or the college. So new students, you can understand that this is not an ordinary online class. We have a lot of options. Your tutorial will be delivered to your home. After completion of a lesson, there will be a unit test. And you can understand that you are competing with all the schools in the country. Ne? You can see, ne? You could see, ne, puta? Schools from Colombo, Anand, Royal, Nalanda, Sangamita, Vishaka, schools from Kandy, Sylvester, Dharmaraja, and rural schools and everything. Rural schools means rural schools can එහෙම එකක් නෙමෙයි දැන්. කතොත් එක එක හැම පැත්තෙම out of Colombo and everywhere. So it is a very big opportunity for you to learn and also to evaluate yourselves right within all over the students from the country. Then if you are going for a physical class, most probably there are no tests like that in the physical classes, even though if there is a test in the classes, but you are just competing only your regional schools. Ne? But here you can see Buddha. Now I have created a platform to learn for you. All the students in the Sri Lanka, most of the schools, Hari, you can compete with them and you can evaluate yourselves. How is that? Okay. So now I'm going to start the lesson, data representation and interpretation. Meanwhile, I'm doing the lesson, I will explain about my classes to the newbies. Hari. So you can continue our class from here onwards, right? Okay. So with our data representation and interpretation, let's go to the tute. Puta, when you are coming to my classes, actually tute should be with you actually, but newbies then අලුත් කට්ටියට tute එක අද තියෙන විදිහක් නෑ අද පන්තියට ඇවිල්ලා. Within 3 days අපි tute එක ගෙදරට එවනවා after the class payment. හරි. දැන් tute එක නැති නිසා අද දවසේදී අපි notebook එකේ තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ. notebook එකේ හැම එකම ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. හරි. අපි ගාන හදනකොට ගාන විතරක් ලියලා හදමු. Once the tute comes to your home, you can complete your works on the tutorial itself. Hari. So data representation and interpretation, that is your unit number 26. Hari. So here you have to understand the Madan. Then statistics is about data. Statistics කියන්නේ පුතා දැන් සංඛ්‍යානේ මේ අපි කතා කරන්නේ ගණිතයේ සංඛ්‍යානය සම්බන්ධ. Statistics. Hari. It is about data handling. Data is about information. Data කියන්නේ මොන හරි information, set of information. Then for example, height of students in a class, scores obtained by a player for several matches, rainfall in a city for some of the examples are for the numerical data. Hari. In this lesson, we discuss about the data collection and representation. අපි මේකෙදි කතා කරනවා ways of data collection and how to represent them. Hari. And interpretation කියන්නේ collect කරපු data පාවිච්චි කරලා අපි යම් යම් දේවල් හොයනවා. දැන් for example, if I collect all the මම කරත් අර data interpretation, data representation and interpretation තමයි පුතේ. හරි. දැක්කද? අර data representation මොකද්ද මම කරේ? unit test එකේ පන්තියේ වැඩිම ලකුණු ගත්ත 10 දෙනාවත් මම represent කරා. data represent කරා. මම එකකින් interpret කරා who is the first place, who is the second place, who is the third place. අන්න interpret කරා. අන්න ඒ වගේ කතාවක්. හරි. right. කපුවද මෙයා? මොනක? right. okay. We shall go to the first, then write down the data representation and interpretation. Write down the topic. Write down the topic. Write down the topic. Hold on. Write down the topic. Data representation and interpretation. Tute එක තියෙනවා නම් tute එක වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන්. Tute එක නැත්නම් just take your notebooks and write data representation and interpretation. Data representation and interpretation. Paranidanago. Right. Okay. So if you have the tute with you, my all students, because we are starting to send the tutorial from the 25th of the previous month. Right? Then if you have the tute, you can do the works in the tute. Tute එක නැත්තම් අද අපි notebook එකේ වැඩ කරමු. ඊළඟ සතියේ වෙද්දී tute එක ගෙන්න ගන්නවා. Once you pay the class fee, your tutorial will be in your hand after 3 days. නේ? හරි. දන්නවද? Right. Okay. Then here පුතේ here you can see ඔන්න බලන්න හොඳට number 1 මේවා ලියන්න ඕනේ අහගන්න. Below table shows the number of questions solved each day by Kasuni. So here you can see පුතේ හරි Monday there were 15 questions solved. Tuesday 6, Wednesday 8. හරිද? Thursday 14, Friday 7, Saturday 10, Sunday 12. හරි? So here you can understand we have given some data. Hurry. Number of questions solved hurry, by Kasuni on each day. Hurry. Now we can represent this table. Hurry. We can represent this table on a tally marks table. බලන්න අපි tally marks table එක මේක represent කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන කාරණය. හරි. මෙහෙම කරන්න. හරි. මෙහෙම කරමු අපි. හරි. If you have the tute, you can do your works on the tutorial. If you do not have the tute, you have to copy these tables. හරි. ඒක හැබැයි ඉක්මනට කරන්න වෙනවා. හරි. මෙන්න මේ tables copy කරන්න. හරි. දැන් මේ first table එක copy කරන්න. අහගන්න. හරි. Just copy this table. හරි අප්පා. Copy this table. Day. Number of questions solved. හරි. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have to hurry up. Hurry. Tally marks. How to do the tally marks with it? Do you know that, right? Hurry. The tally marks. So now 15 කොහොමද tally mark එකේ tally marks में number of questions or tally marks 15 में 1 2 3 4 5 වුණ ගමන් මේ ධර්මිතිය බඳිනවා 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 hurry like that. Puta hurry up and we have to do hurry. Tuesday it is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. It was about Wednesday 8. Let's do it. Wednesday it is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Thursday පුතා it is 14. Are start to do what? Start to complete this. Copy this first table and start to do the second table, tally marks table. Thursday 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Friday 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Saturday 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right. Sunday 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Turn on the chat. Can you understand this? Okay, turn on the chat. Chat on karan. Can you understand this? Tally marks representation. Very easy, ne? Put noted on the chat if you have already noted on your notebook or your tute. If you have the tute, you can do in the tute. අනිත් අයගේ results දෙන්නම් ඉන්නකෝ ඉවසලා. හරි off the shot. Hari. Puda, in this month, we are going to cover up all the lessons of your syllabus, and there is a special message. Puda, for the next month, again for the month of December, api earlier we will send you pack of third term model papers. Pack of third term model papers අපි earlier එවනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. හරි. third week වල වගේ එවනවා පටන් ගන්නවා. මම ඒක ඔයාලට කියන්නම් for the class fee of December. පොඩක් early එවනවා. මොකද exams early තියෙනවා සමහර කට්ටියගේ. ඒක අපි early එවා ගත්තාම ලේසි. third term model paper back. I will send you a third term model paper කීපයක් එවලා අපි discuss කරනවා class එකේ. කරලා ඔයාලා prepare කරලා අපි term test වලට යවන්නේ. හරි. Okay, Buddha. We shall go to the second question then, right? Hari. We shall go to the second question. अब second दागम. Mother, බලන්න බෑ. හරි. Then if you have the tute, you can do your works on the tute නේ. බලන්න tute එක අතේ දිනවන හරි ලේසි වැඩ කරන්න. tute එක අපි කලින් මාසෙ 25 වෙනිදා පටන් ගන්නවා ඊළඟ මාසෙට. හරි. But it's okay if you don't have the tute. That's okay. That's fine. හරි. Put number 2. Put number 2. දැන් මේක දිහා බලාගෙන අපි උත්තර ලියමු. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි වා දැන් notebook එකේ වැඩ කරනවා නම් වා කරන්නේ ඕ. You just put number 2. Write question number 1 and write the answer. Question number 2 and write the answer. Question number 3, write the answer. Don't write the questions. You don't need to write the questions because you will receive the tutne. Hari, balan. Pute, this is a picture graph and data representation by using picture graphs. Hari. Method in the calling before here, I need to teach you something. On balan. Pute, if I have to add 3 two times, what is the answer? If I add 3 plus 3, it is 6. Ne? I have to add 3 two times. මට ඒක මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Twice of 3. If I have to add 2 3 times බලන්න දැන්. මට දෙක තුන් පාරක් එකතු කරන්න තියෙනවා නම් මේක 3 times 2 කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. 6. How many 2s? 3. එහෙනම් 3 times 2 6 මේ. නැත්නම් මේ 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6. තේරෙනවද? දැන් වයි දන්න 2. If I have to add 4 times. So 4 into 2 8. 4 6 8 නේ. ඒ වගේ අහගන්න. Now here you can understand Buddha, this one ball represents 10 balls. The picture graph can be drawn to represent data. Below data shows about the number of balls solid in a sport complex. Right? Balls. Again, මේ sport complex එකේ P කියන එකේ තියෙන number of ball solids. Balls කියන්නේ number of balls. Q කියන shop එකේ තියෙන number of balls. මේක represent කරලා තියෙනවා picture graph එකක. Then මේ එකකින් 10 represent කරනවා. From a one ball, one circle, it represents 10 balls. 1 2 3 4. So you have to add 10 4 times. So it is 4 into 10. So it is 40. නෑ මම කියන්නේ මෙතන 40. First question එක නෙමෙයි. ਪਰ මෙතන 40. හරි? You can understand. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 into 7 70. මෙතන 40. මම නිකන් පැත්තක ලියන්නම්කෝ මෙහෙම. මෙතන 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 කියන 10 into 7 70. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 into 4, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 into 7, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 into 6, 60. ඔහොමනේ වෙන්නේ වැඩි. හරි. Which shop solid highest number of balls? හරි. highest number of balls තියෙන්නේ මොන shop එකේද පුතා? Q කියන shop එකේ. Which shop sells the lowest number of balls? දැන් මේ when we compare into here 40 is the lowest number of balls නේ. එතකොට POR right? POR දෙන්නටම තියෙන්නේ 40. Find the total number of balls solid in 5 shops. අර 5 shops වල තියෙන ඒවල එකතු අපෙන් අහන. තේරෙනවනේ ඉතින් අරගේ balls 4ක් තියෙනවා එකක් 10 10 into 4 plus හරි 10 into 7 plus 10 into 4 plus 10 into 7 plus 10 into 6 නේ ඕකනේ වෙන්නේ. So here it is 40. Here it is 70. Here it is 40. Here it is 70. Here it is 60. ඔය ටික එකතු කරන්න. පැත්තක එකතු කරන්න. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 6. So 280 ball solids. Turn on the chat. What is that? Uday, can you understand this? Of the chat. මොකක්ද බුදේ? highest number of balls තියෙන්නේ Q ගෙන QOS. Yeah. Case get 70 නේ. Yeah, QOS. Nice. Yes. QOS. Yeah. Turn on the chat. Is that all right? Everything is all right? Put yes to the chat if everything is all right. Nice. Okay, off the chat and give the chance to Kaylee. Kaylee. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Put it. Kaylee. Kaylee, what's the problem? Tell me. Why I can't hear you? Just talk and just tell me your problem, Buddha. Kaylee, you can talk. They're not talking. Kaylee. Okay. Turn on the chat. Put yes to the chat if you can understand properly. If you have any problems, put problem to the chat. Then I can talk with you and I can solve your problem. Okay. Of the show. All right. Shall we go for the next question? Shall we go for the next question? Complete the below table by using the previous picture graph. All right. මම මේක කරන්න කියලා කියනවා. ඉතින් අපි දන්නවා මේක පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ලේසිනේ p කියන එකත් කියලා පුතා 10 into 4 නේ. 10 into 4, it is 40. Q, it is 10 into 7, 70. R, it is 10 into 4, 40. S, it is 10 into 7, 70. T, it is 10 into 6, 60. Okay. Complete the below table using the previous graph. හරි. second question එක බලන්න. දැන් මේකේ third එකේ second question එකේ අපිට කියනවා පුතා හරිද? අපිට මේකේ show the formation. දැන් මේ බලන්න column graph එකේ මේ information එක column graphs වල පෙන්වන්න කියලා කියනවා. එකක් මෙහෙම අරගෙන අපි මේක අඳිමු පුතේ මේ notebook එකේ කරන කට්ටිය. හරි. second question එකේ අපිට කියනවා පුතේ මේක column graphs දෙකකට දාගන්න කියලා. හරි. බලන්න first column graph. හරි. number of balls sold. solid නෙමෙයි දාලා sold අර කලින් අර නේ sold. හරි. හරි. number of balls sold තමයි අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි. අපි දාගමු මේ informations ටික. y axis number of balls sold. හරි. y axis එක number of balls sold. Seventy. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ පුතා මේ දැන් p කියන්නේ 40 නේ. අපි ගත්තොත් width of the column. අපි column එකේ width එක 2 squares කියලා ගත්තොත් හරිද? දැන් width එකේ column මේ කියන්නේ column එක p කියන එක අපි දැන් 2 squares කියලා ගත්තොත් දැන් මේක 40 නේ. මෙන්න මේ 2 square තියලා තමයි අපි පටන් ගන්න පුතේ. මෙන්න මෙහෙම තමයි පටන් ගන්න. හරි. that is p. හරි. අර මේකේ මෙන්න මේ gaps equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේ gap එක p මං ආයෙ කොටු දෙකක් ඕනනම් gap එක තියන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟ එක q. q it is 70. අර කලින් තිබුණ කොටු දෙකයිනේ gap එක. එහෙනම් අපි මේ දෙක maintain කරනවා. q it is 70. මේක පැත්තකින් තියාගමු. then පුතා r it is 40. now gap is 2 squares and Breadth is also 2. I got 2. So it is 40. S is 70. And this is 60. Here, shop. X-axis is shop. හරි. තර මේක ඇවිල්ලා column graph එකක්. තර මේක vertical column graph එකක්. අපිට පුළුවන් මේකේ vertical column graph is this. Right? The special factors when we are drawing the column graphs are gaps between නේද? What are the factors we need to focus? හරි? Gap between columns should be equal. හරි? එතකොට columns වල width ඔක්කොම equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. breadth එහෙම නැත්නම් width. Width of columns should be equal. හරි ඕන මට මේ gap එක 1 කියන්නේ එක කොටුවක් ගන්නත් තිබුණා. හරි. ඒතර start කරනකොට අපි මේ gap එක තියලා start කරන්නත් ඕනේ. At the beginning we should keep the gap. හරි. At the beginning we should keep the gap as well. හරි. එතකොට මේ ඇන්දේ පුතා අපි vertical column graph එක. ඒ කියන්නේ columns තියෙන්නේ vertically. හරි. Then I will talk about the horizontal column graph as well. Now you can understand, right? Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Can you understand this? Of the shop. Marks of solids and marks of number of ball salt. Here. Or a number of ball salt. So the vertical column graph. Shall we draw a horizontal column graph? මම මේක මේ කොපි කරගන්න නැත්තම් පෑන අඳින්න. හරි number 2 හරිනේ. Right, number 3 let's see පුතේ හරි. හරි. We shall draw horizontal column graph. We shall draw a horizontal column graph. So here I get the x-axis. So here I get the x-axis as number of balls solved. And y-axis as shop. හරි මං ගැප් එක ඔයාලට කැමති විදිහට ගැප් එක හිතන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි. දැන් මං ගත්තොත් ගැප් එක 2 2 squares අරගෙන යනදොත් තාම එහෙමනේ. මුලින්ම ඉන්නේ කවුද? P40. Okay, so that is P. Q it is 70. R it is 40. S it is 40. No, R is 70. Here it is P. Here it is Q. R is 40. S it is 70. T it is 60. මේකට කියන horizontal column graph. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? තේරුණාද ළමයි? ඒකේ horizontal column graph එක වෙන්නේ මේක. අර මෙතන වැදේ තියෙන්නේ gaps. The gap should be equal there. හරි. Turn on the mic for them. Right. Right. Yeah, early ගන්න පුළුවන් සන්දිල්. මම ඒක දැනුවත් කරන්නම්. ඊළඟ සතියේම ගන්න පුළුවන්. 15 තුල ඉඳලා ගන්න ගන්නවා. Ian, turn on the mic for Ian. Ian, yes, what's the problem? Chituli, what's the problem? Just tell me. හරි Ian කියන්න. කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ anything ඔයගොල්ලෝ. හරි චිතුලි කියන්න පුතේ.
Sir, when we draw that column graph, should we always mention x and y axis?
Yeah, you have to always mention what is y-axis, what is x-axis. Yeah.
And also zero should be mentioned?
Zero should be?
Is it a must that zero should also be mentioned in the column graph?
No, that's fine. That here, if you are getting the same gaps between here, so we have calibrated from 10 to 10, 10, 20.
Yes.
So here, it's obvious fact that it's zero. It doesn't matter whether you denote it or not.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is all
So,
of this there in the tube?
yeah. Yes, Ian?
Is all of this there in the tube?
Sorry?
Is all of the questions there in the tube?
All of the questions in the tube එක දිනවද කියලා දහන්නේ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all the questions are in the tube. Do you have the tube with you?
No, sir, I'm new.
You're new. Here you can see the tube. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Everything is there. In our class for the grade 6, 7, 8, we can do all the works in YouTube. But from grade 9 onwards, there are 2 classes per week. Hurry. And we will do all the works in our notebooks from grade 9 onwards. So up to grade 6, 7, 8, we can do all the works in the tube. But Pudha, Ian, you have to keep in your mind that this is the way then. You are coming to the class. If you have the tute, you can do the works on the tute in the class. But definitely you have to do it again in your notebook at home before you come to the next session. Even if you do your works on your notebook in the class, definitely you have to do it again in your tute before you come to the next session. Purpose of that is, Pudha, it is not for my subject. For any subject, it is not enough. Attending class is not enough, Pudha. You have to do what you have done in the class at home by yourself before you come to the next session. That is the way that how we should learn. Can you understand what I'm saying? Ian?
Yes, sir.
Then you will receive your tutorial. So it is easy for you to do the works in the class. In the class, එක වෙලාවේ වැඩ කරන්න lazy if you have the tute with you. But Putha, you have to maintain your notebook as well. At home, you have to do again what we have done in the class in your notebook, Putha. Can you understand? Then today you are doing your works on your notebook because you don't have the tute with you. Nadiyan?
Yes, sir.
You must do it again in your tute when the tute come to your home. Okay?
Okay.
And did you see the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the unit test and things, those stuff? Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I explain everything about our classes?
No, sir, it's okay.
Huh?
It's okay, sir.
Oh, shall I explain everything about our classes?
No,
I need
sir.
to. Huh? No, sir.
No.
Okay. All right. Right. Okay. Then here there are a lot of new students today because today is a seminar session. No? That each and every month we have a seminar session for the new students. They can come to our classes and they can see what we are doing, and they can decide whether you are coming to our classes or not. Okay, let me explain about our classes. So this is the timetable, Buddha. Live class is on Sunday 5:30 to 7 p.m. If you miss the live class, you can watch your class recordings on Thursday 7 to 8:30 for the repeat class. Or else, you can watch your class recordings from our website, and also you have an app as well, Buddha. App එකකුත් තියෙනවා. I will explain everything there. Alright. So each and every month, I am sending you a tutorial to your home. Free of charge. Free of charge කියලා කියන්නේ මේ. Once you pay the class fee, your tutors freely come to your home. Alright. After completion of lesson, there will be a unit test and I evaluate your marks. Other students, ඔයාලගේ marks දෙනවා ඉක්මනට ඉන්න. top 10 අරන් අනිත් කට්ටිය කවල වෙන්නද ඉන්නව. හරි. After we completion of a month, there will be a monthly test. හරි. top 10 කියනවා කවුද කියලා. අපි දැන් කලින් කියලා පටන් ගද්දි මම කිව්ව top 10 කවුද කියලා. හරි. And also Buddha, if you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat, or else you can watch your class recordings from our web. Later, you can use your app as well. Hurry. And also, there are various options in our website. Let me show that. Hurry. Once you come to our classes, after you attend into our classes, after registration, right, you have to create an account in my website. Just don't think about it if you're a new student. You will be අපි වෙනවා කොහොමද මේක කරන්න කියලා. Then you will have a account in my website. Then you can, after you log into your account, after the registration of the class, or when you come to my classes, when you go here enroll classes, your class will be shown here. Just only your class will be shown here. If you go to your class, right, you will be able to watch your class recordings of the particular month. If you have paid the class fee for October, for example, here you can see all the class recordings like this. If you click this, you can watch your class recordings anytime that you want, like Netflix. Right? Yeah, you can understand that. Right. And also, Buddha, there is option called tute tracking. Your tute will be tracked here. It's like you have the experience. No? When you put a pick me, the pick me will be tracked in your app. No? Likewise, you can track your tute. Within 3 days, you will receive the tute within 3 working days. Sorry, the tute tracking option. And there is a store, but there are no books for you. When you grow old, like පොඩක් තවරිය ලොකු වෙනකොට ඔයාලට පොත් මගේ වෙනම තියෙනවා ඒවා පස්සේ කියන්න වැඩක් නැහැ මෙතනට. And Buddha, we have proved the success of our class through results. We are the class having the most number of A passes. The previous year, 3,682 A passes for the GCE O-level examination. All the results are here. Right? So here you can see, this is important for your mother, your father to decide whether come to classes or not. It's okay, it's your decision. So we have proved the success of our classes through results. So here you can see index number, school ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. 24 සවයි ළමයි කතා කරන වීඩියෝ ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. results ඇවිල්ලා අම්මලා තාත්තලා කියන මේ දෙන්නේ මේ 2000 consecutive 3 years we have the highest number of A passes කියන්නේ ඒකට ලං වෙන්නවත් එකක් තිබිලා නැහැ ඉතින් මේ 1900 A passes in 2022-23. Here 3523 24, 3682 24 25. See here all you can watch the videos here after sessions, after the result comes on. And also there are some videos, the term test results as well, so you can watch them as well for the parents actually, right? Okay, so here also then another option, study pack. What do you mean by study pack? For example, you have missed your lessons in the first term in the school. On a school like you have missed some lessons. You can take these lessons personally. You can purchase the lessons and you can watch that. My all class recordings, I have bundled them. Previous recordings. So those who have come on those classes, they can watch their class recordings free of charge. But for the new students, they can watch any class. If you have missed that, for example, you have missed the lesson in your school. So here you can purchase this and watch. Like that, there are so many options. And also, Buddha, from the month of January onwards, your results will be here. Results mean you have a separate what we call it as the report book. ඔයාගේ report book එක තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාගේ report book එකක් මෙතන create වෙනවා. ඔයාගේ results මෙතන වැටලා results කොහොමද වෙනස් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියන එක ඔයාලට බලන්න පුළුවන්. අම්බල තත්ත්වලට ඒක evaluate කරන්න බලන්න, observe කරන්න බලන්න ළමයාව. මෙතන unit test මේ ඔක්කොම update වෙනවා from January month onwards here. Right. Yeah, so you have such options. And we have an app as well. But Puta, for new students, make sure to register with the website first. Use the website perfectly first. Then come to that. හරි. එකන් app එක මුලින් app එක push කරන්න බෑ. ඉතලා web එකට පුරුදුලා එන්න app එකේ තව ප්‍රශ්න වර්ගයක් තියෙනවා. අපි ඒවත් හදන ගමන් තියෙන්නේ. අපි නිකන් app එකක් පෙන්නමු. හරි. app එක download කරලා තියාගන්න. But for now just use the web perfectly. web එක perfectly use කරන්න. app එකෙත් Android ලගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. recording බලන්න පුළුවන්. Apple ලගේ පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. ඒවා අපි විසඳන ගමන් ඉන්නේ. Right. So you can understand about our classes now. Our class fee is just only 2,000 rupees per month. Within this 2,000 rupees, the tute will be free. We will deliver to your home free of charge. You can use our web, app, everything. So just a monthly class fee is just 2,000 rupees. Hari, unit test, month test, me hame gakma diya. Tute එක මේ quality එකෙන් හම්බෙන්නේ නේද? And there will be a special tute for each lesson here as well. Can අපි note එකට අමතරව apart from the note, class note, there will be a special tute as well here. A special tute එකේ answers web එකේ තියෙනවා. And for example here show the special tute answers my account, and you go to your classes, and for example your class is grade 7 English medium. For example, let's see the month October. You can see your special tute answers here as well. Right. So here, can you see like that? Now, ඉස්සරහට tute test or monthly test ඒවල answers ටිකත් මෙතනටම upload කරන විදිහටම හදනවා. Well organized. Everything's well organized. If you want to continue our classes, new students, if you want to come to our classes, what you have to do is, now I am posting a WhatsApp community group to your chat. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group. We will post each and every details how to enroll to our classes, how to pay the class fee, how much, what are the account numbers, and what is the number that you need to send the receipt, everything. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group. Okay, now I can go to the next problem. So I think all the new students, all the problems are solved. All right. Right. We have done the third question. And yeah, we shall go to the fourth question. Complete this fourth question right now. All right. Complete this fourth question right now. ඔය fourth question එක කරන්න. හරි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ පුතා මේ වැඩේ මෙහෙමයි. අහගන්නකො මේකේ මූලිකව තියෙන්නේ මේකයි කතාව. මොකද? දැන් graph එකක් හදිනකොට when we are drawing the column graphs හරිද? දැන් මේ gap එක equal වෙන්න ඕන. මේ අනිත් columns අතර gap එක equal වෙන්න ඕන. ඒ gap එකයි මේකේ අපි කියනවා මේකට width එක කියලා. width of a column. මේ width එකයි gap එකයි equal වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. හරිද? ඔයාලට මම කියන දේ තේරෙනවද? ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක හැම එක වුණා කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. එහෙම වෙන්නම ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මෙහෙම ඇඳලා දැන් මෙහෙම තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මම ගන්නවා width එක ඒ කියන්නේ මම ගන්නවා දැන් width එක 2 කියලා. මම ගන්නවා මේකේ sorry gap එක 2 squares කියලා ගන්නවා. මං width එක ගන්නවා මේ 4 කියලා. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒතර මේ 2 තමයි ආයේ මෙතන මේන්ටේන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ මේකේ ආයේ 4. තේරෙනවද? So you have to understand what you have to understand is data type using horizontal axis numerical keep the same gap between two columns keep the same gap between two columns width of the column is same for each bar that's all hari fourth question එක කරන්න I give you 5 minutes to complete this 5 minutes then මේක ඉවර කරන්න ටක් ගාලා 5 minutes complete this හරි බලන්න මම මේකම කරන්නම්. හරි. very easy නේ යන්නේ. cousin 40 marks. දැන් here මේ percentage එක තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. So here cousin 40 marks. Amal 50. Tarushi 80. Sandun 65. Here it is 45. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Yeah, easy thing, right? Off the chat මොනවද කියන්නේ? So in the question 1, Monday, it is 15. What? Yeah. So what? අපි 15 තමයි මේ ටෙලිමාක්ස් තමයි මේ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, we shall go for the fifth question. පුතා fifth question and sixth question උත් කරන්න ඕන කවන. Fifth question කරන්න. හරි. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Sixth question උත් කරන්න ටියුට් එකත්. ටියුට් එකත් PDF දැම්මම දාලානේ තියෙන්නේ seminar ඉන්න. Fifth question and sixth question. 5 minutes. Fifth and sixth. All right, let's see with the fifth one. Hold on. Yeah, Sinhala 350, right? It is 400. Maths 400 pages. English 250 pages. Science 450 pages. And religion, it is also 450 pages. It's an easy question. Okay. We shall go to the sixth question. On data interpretation. Representation එකක් බලලා අපි interpret කරන data. What is the color has the most number of students like? බැලුව ගමන් පේනවා මෙයා තමයි green. So it is green. It is green. Number two. Number two. What is the color that least number of students like? දැක්ක ගමන් පේනවා පුතා අර yellow red ඒ දෙන්න equal වෙලා දෙනවා. ඒ තමයි yellow or red. What is the color that the least number of students like? What is the color? මෙතන දාන්න පුතේ what is the color නෙමෙයි. Number of students. මේක හදාගන්න. මෙතනට එනවා number of students. හරි number of students that the least number of students like. හරි. What is it පුතා? 20. Number of students like green color. It is 50. How many students like orange than blue? Orange than blue. Orange කීයද? 40. Blue කීයද පුතේ? Blue it is 25. So it is 40 minus 25. 15, right? How many students gave their favorite color? How many students gave their favorite color? ඒ කියන්නේ total frequency එකයි මෙතන අහන්නේ. දැන් මෙයාගේ 20. Orange color it is 40. Yellow color it is 20. Green color it is 50. Here it is 25. So you need to take the sum. 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 50 plus 25. Turn on the chat. Give me the answer, Pudi. What is the answer? Yeah, 155. What fraction of students like green or blue? Green or blue. What fraction of students like? Green or blue. Green වලට කීයක් කැමතිද පුතේ? Green වලට 50 කැමති. Blue වලට කීයක් කැමතිද පුතා? Blue වලට 25 කැමති. එතකොට 50 plus 25 කැමති green or blue. Out of how many students? 155. තේරුම් ගන්න out of 155 50 plus 25 ඒ කියන්නේ 75 students කැමති green or blue. එක්ක green එක්ක blue. This is the fraction. We can අපිට මේක ඕනනම් තව නේද simple fraction එකක් බවට පත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Are there any common factors between 75 and 155? Yeah. Both are divisible by 5 නේ. Both are divisible by 5 නේ. දැන් 75 කියන එක 5 into 75 5 කින් divide කරාම 15 නේ පුතේ. හරි 155 5 ගෙන් ඩිවයිඩ් කරපුවම කීයද? 5 into 3 15. 31 නේ හරි. 5 is a common factor, so I can eliminate the 5. So answer is 15 over 31. If I divide both the numerator and denominator by 5, 15 over 31, there are no any common factors in between 15 and 31. So that is the simplest fraction. Turn on the chat, put yes to the chat if you can understand. If you have any problems, put problem to the chat. Then I can turn on the mic. If you put the problem to the chat, then I can turn on the mic. Jamila, let's see the Jamila. Yes, Jamila, what's the problem? Methuli, Jamila, api wage mic on. We have turned on your mic. You can talk now. You just have to turn on your mic from your side and you have to talk.
Sir, I don't understand the question we did now. How to see to make it the simplest form?
75 over 155 ගේ simplest form එක ගත විදිහ තේරුන්නේ නැහැ එහෙමද?
Oh, sir.
Okay, so you did not come to the lesson fractions නේ? ආවේ නැහනේ?
No, sir.
හරි. පුතා, then for example, do you have any siblings in your home? I mean, do you have any brother or sister?
No, sir.
Okay. Just imagine you have a brother. හරි. Now your mother coming to your home and give you pizza, you give your ඔයාටයි ඔයාගේ මල්ලිටයි ඔන්න කේක් දෙකක් දෙනවා එක සමාන ප්‍රමාණය. Same like two cakes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
හරි. What you do is you cut the cake into two equal parts and you eat one piece. You cut the cake into two equal parts and you eat one piece. So you are eating 1/2 of the cake. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Your brother, what එයා මොනවද කරන්නේ? He cut the cake into four equal parts and he eat two parts. So he cut the cake into four equal parts and he eat two parts. දැන් කේක්ස් දෙක දිහා බැලුවාම ඔයාලට පේනවද ඔයාලා දෙන්නම කාලා තියෙන එකම ප්‍රමාණයක්? You and your brother have got the same amount නේද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
So this equal to this no? මෙන්න මේවට අපි කියනවා equivalent fractions කියලා. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
How to take the equivalent fractions? We can take equivalent fractions by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. If I multiply numerator and denominator by 2, here it is 2, 2 into 2, 4. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply the numerator and denominator both by 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Here 3. Can you understand? Cake එක equal pieces 6කට කපලා කෑලි 3ක් කෑවත් මේ ප්‍රමාණයම තමයි කන්නේ. හරි?
Yes.
If you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4, here it comes. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
මේවට අපි කියනවා equivalent fractions කියලා. දැන් ඔයා හිතන්න 4 over 8 ඉන්නවා. හරි. එතකොට මේක this is not the simplest form of this fraction. මෙයාගේ simplest form එක ඇතර මෙයානේ. නේද?
Yes.
හරි. We need to find are there any common factors between 4 and 8? Common factors. සාධක, පොදු සාධක. Factor එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? The numbers. Then for example, factors of 4 කියලා කියන්නේ the numbers that I can divide 4 without remainders. හතර ඉතිරි නැතුව බෙදන්න පුළුවන් කට්ටියට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ හතර factors කියලා. හරිද? පුතේ,
Yes, sir.
can you understand what do you mean by factors?
Yes, sir.
2 is also a factor of 4. දැන් 4 ගත්තොත් දෙකෙන් බෙදන්නත් පුළුවන් ඉතිරි නැතුව. හතරෙන් බෙදන්නත් පුළුවන්. දැන් දෙන්නම හතරෙන් බෙදනවනේ. 4 is a common factor. හරි දෙකෙන් බෙදනවා කියලා අපි හිතමුකෝ. How many 2s for 4? How
Two.
many 2s for 4?
2.
How many 2s for 8?
4.
4. Again there is a common factor between 2 and 4. දෙකයි හතරයි දෙන්නම බෙදෙන කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. There is කියන්න පුතේ මොකද්ද?
2.
2. If I divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, how many 2's for 2? 1. How many 2's for 4?
2.
2. Are there any common factor between 1 and 2?
No.
No. Then this is the simplest form of this fraction. Can you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have another doubt, sir. When we are drawing a column like this, a graph like this, should we keep a gap when we are ending it?
Should we keep a
Gap when we are ending it, space?
ending space?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's okay. You have to
In
keep a
the
gap in the here.
first, should we?
Uh,
When we are starting it also, should we keep a
yeah,
gap?
starting there should be the gap in these type of column graphs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here you can understand, Pudha, I can see both are divisible by 5. If I divide 75 by 5, it is 50. If I divide 150 by 5, it is 31. So are there any common factors between 15 and 31?
No, sir.
No. So that is the simplest version of the fraction. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Can you
sir.
understand? So we can take that equivalent fractions. We can take equivalent fractions either multiplying by the same number, both the numerator and denominator, or dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Is that clear?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Buddha, I'm going to wind up the session from here. So make sure to take your tudes to your home before the next session. Make sure to join with the WhatsApp community. We will update all the payment details and everything. Okay, Buddha, then see you on the next day. Okay.